Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of hotels.com. You click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we can search about hotels.com. Then you can click on Forcestop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.